Welcome to Crystal's Bread. Today I'm going to teach you how to make crepe. This is very simple, basic recipe. You can change any ingredients of your favorite. You can change milk to almond milk or flour. You can have whole wheat, have all-purpose. It's up to you. So you can change anything in this recipe. It's very simple. Let's get to it. To make a crepe, we're going to separate the dry ingredients and wet ingredients. In a medium bowl, mix all the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder, and mix it really well. And then we're going to put it aside. In a large bowl, we're going to put wet ingredients, egg, and scramble it really well. And then pour milk and mix it real well, and vanilla extract, and the butter. Melted butter. Then we're going to put flour little at a time because we don't want anything to crumble. So really mix it and make it nice and smooth batter. If there's any crumbles, then you can tackle them. So on a medium heat, heat the skillet. It depends on whatever size you have. You can start quarter cup of batter and immediately rotate the skillet so you can spread the batter all around, create a nice very thin layer of a crepe. And then we're going to cook it on the bottom until it's nicely turned brown. You can notice that there's a glittering, glistening batter eventually kind of faded, and that's also can be a signature that bottom is getting ready. And with very wide spatula, you can lift it up and see the bottom, it's turning brown. Then when it's turned nice and brown, the color you're satisfied, then we're going to turn it around over and cook the bottom side until it's nicely brown. And you can try to turn on your heat to medium to low heat, and depends on your skillet and fire, so you can test it out and figure it out. I like to use a frozen butter, or you can melt the butter and use a brush for your skillet. So you can see the other side, it's turning nicely brown. So this is almost done. So we're gonna take it out. So that's how you make the crepe, and do the same thing to the rest of the batter. I'm just gonna demonstrate a few ways how to eat the crepe. You can spread the butter and your favorite jam. You can use a fresh fruit or scrambled egg. That can be one way, or the other way is spread the butter and on top of it sprinkle powdered sugar. My kids' favorite way to eat. Sprinkle some more powdered sugar if you want. The other way is spread the butter and maple syrup, or your favorite syrup of your choice. Depends on how much you like. And then you roll it, and if you want, you can add more maple syrup. So that's how to make a crepe, and hope you like this one. And now you know how to make it. Enjoy your crepe.